What's up, guys? In this here episode on Hotel Ford, we're going to do our little taillight modification on the newest rig in the yard, the Ranger. Ooh! These things have always had the 3-section tail lamps, but they only ever use the middle one and the lower one. These are like little aftermarket taillight lenses from the Amazon. But even on the factory guys, they never make use of the upper guy. So I want to pull the lights out and make it where she's got the quad tail lips in the back. I think that'd be snazzy. Yeah, okay. Now I got my tail light pulled out. And see, I got my new socket guy that I want to put in here in the top spot. The only thing is the keyway in here is not the same, so that'll have to be modified, which is pretty normal for Amazon lights. Especially in a situation like this, it wasn't meant for that. And the other thing is we need to make a pigtail harness here to piggyback, not that one, off of the 3 wires on our brake turn signal running light guy. I would have just bought pigtails, and for a minute here I was like, where's the pigtails? Didn't I get those? And then I remembered they're like over $100 a piece. So we're going to make pigtails. I'm hoping, see this little connector guy here that I just snatched the insulator off? The pins inside here are teeny tiny, so I think I can squish those things together there, make him small where he fits the little pins, and then I can run some heat shrink over the wire and the whole connector to make it where things don't short together. Because it'd be really cute to have, you know, the four lights, but it ain't $200 some odd plus everything else cool, you know. So anyhow, I'm gonna try my hand at that and we'll see how that goes. Here's my LED digital lights. I went with the LEDs just in case me doubling up tail light bulbs back here pisses off the body control module and too much current, pops fuses and whatnot. Whew, so I went LEDs, and I'm also thinking that I just might get lucky and not have the fast turn signal issue and all that, because there's 2 LEDs on each corner. So maybe it'll be similar to the load that was on the single incandescent bulb. We will find. That actually works pretty okay. See, I just squished the thing lengthways there, and the pin fits in between pretty good. That made a little spot down there for the pin to slide in, so he should have pretty good contact. Now we'll heat shrink over this whole dealie so they don't all short together. Now I've got my little harness pieces made. And to get the bulb to fit in the hole no bulb was ever supposed to go into, I just shaved down that 3rd tab there, and then I filed just a little bit off of this side. That way it'll pop in there. And yeah, it points off to the side, but that should be fine since I don't have a big bulky connector. The wires can just come straight down. Yeah. Now let's tie the wires in with some solder and heat shrink into the corresponding wires and see if it all lights up. That'd be neat. Now I'm all spliced in. I'll just solder these joints up and heat the heat shrink. And it's just that easy. Now we'll clean all this up with some wire loom and get them put back in the taillight. Yeah. All right. If that all works as intended, that'll look really snazzy. Now I'll pop this back in here and hopefully everything works the way I think it will. Oh boys. That's pretty nifty cool. Now we just got to do all the same stuff on the other side. See, them LEDs are quite a bit brighter than the incandescent over there. Woo. Let's try a turn signal. Me. They are flashing fast. Looks like I will still need to put some them resistors in line, but it does work. Flashing too fast. Are you helping? That's not helping. I did the same thing earlier, except I spilled them on the ground. And one more time on the other side. The hazard lights don't blink fast, just the turn signals. That looks neat. Ever since I got the new taillights, I noticed about the upper section there that never had a light, and it's just bothered me every day. And now it looks cool. I still need to source some inline resistors or whatever to make my turn signals not blink fast. But at least you can really see it, and it looks neat. All the bulbs are the little medicinal, ooh, down there too, ooh. A little bit of plastic in the housing, ooh. But anyway, that pretty much wraps up my little quad tail light, brake light situation on the Ranger. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Hi, Muffin. And Buddy. And Beagle.